Science 5, Quarter 2, Week 1. Digestive System. Revised K-12 Curriculum with me, Teacher KMT. Good day, kids! Today, we will learn about digestive system. Here are the possible objectives for today's lesson. Number 1. Identify the parts of the digestive system in pictures and a labeled diagram. Number 2. Describe the functions of each part of the digestive system. Number 3. Trace the path of food through the parts of the digestive system. Number 4. Create a model or presentation that demonstrates the journey of food through the digestive system. Short review. 2 truths and a lie. Identify the 2 truths and 1 lie about the digestive system. Box 1. Number 1. Food enters the body through the mouth. Number 2. The chewed food travels down a muscular tube called the esophagus. Number 3. The large intestine stores and breaks down food with stomach acid. Let's answer. 2 truths. Number 1. Food enters the body through the mouth. Number 2. The chewed food travels down a muscular tube called the esophagus. 1 lie. Number 3. The large intestine stores and breaks down food with stomach acid. The purpose of the large intestine is to absorb water and salts from the material that has not been digested as food and get rid of any waste products left over. By the time food mixed with digestive juices reaches your large intestine, most digestion and absorption have already taken place. Going back. Box 2. Number 1. Esophagus connect the mouth to the stomach. Number 2. Large intestine is the largest organ in the digestive system. Number 3. Waste products leave the body through the anus. Let's answer. 2 truths. Number 1. Esophagus connect the mouth to the stomach. Number 3. Waste products leave the body through the anus. 1 lie. Number 2. Large intestine is the largest organ in the digestive system. The liver is the largest organ in the digestive system, while the intestines are the longest. Lesson purpose. Today, We'll explore this fascinating journey and discover what happens to the food you eat to give you energy. Believe it or not, there's a whole amazing factory inside you called the digestive system that takes care of your food. Have you eaten already? Have you ever wondered what happened to the food you have eaten? Where do you think the food goes after you swallow it? Does the food just disappear? Or does it go on a secret adventure inside your body? Unlocking content area vocabulary. Match new terms given in column A with the meaning given in column B. Let's answer. Number 1, ingestion. What is the correct answer? Great! Letter D, the taking in of food through the mouth. Number 2, propulsion. What is the correct answer? Correct! Letter E, the movement of food throughout the alimentary canal. Number 3, digestion. What is the correct answer? Very good. Letter B, the breakdown of food. Number 4, absorption. What is the correct answer? Correct. Letter A, the taking in of nutrients from the digested food into the cells of the body. And number 5, defecation. What is the correct answer? Very good. Letter C, the excretion or release of waste materials that are not absorbed by the body. First lesson, parts of the digestive system. Activity 1 and Activity 2 are to be guided by your actual teacher. Now, study and observe the following pictures. encouraging deeper understanding. Number 1. Think about the foods you eat. How might the size and texture of food affect how easily it's broken down in your digestive system? Number 2. We use warm water in the small intestine. Why do you think it is important to stay hydrated for proper digestion? Number 3. Imagine we did not chew our food properly before swallowing. How might this affect the digestive process in our simulation and our bodies? Number 4. Can you think of any other ways our bodies might help break down food besides chewing and stomach acid? Digestive system. The digestive system is a group of organs that work together to turn the food we eat into energy and nutrients our body needs. It starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. Functions of the digestive system. We have organ and major functions. Let's start with number 1, mouth. Prepares the food for digestion. Has salivary glands that produce saliva, which lubricates the food and softens it. Mechanical digestion and chemical digestion start here. Mechanical digestion takes place with the help of the teeth and tongue. The teeth cut the food into smaller pieces, while the tongue helps you chew and swallow the food. Chemical digestion takes place with the help of an enzyme called amylase that chemically breaks down the starch in the food eaten. Please take note that it is important to properly chew the food we eat. Number 2, esophagus. A tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach, or the food that has been chewed and mixed in the mouth becomes a soft, mashed mass called a bolus. The bolus passes into the esophagus down to the stomach through a muscle contraction called peristalsis. Number 3, stomach. A muscular J-shaped organ found on the left side of the abdominal cavity. Mixes and churns food with gastric juices to form chyme, or semi-fluid, partly digested substance.
begins chemical breakdown of protein found in the food we eat through pepsin or enzyme.
Releases food into the duodenum or the first part of the small intestine. Absorbs some fat-soluble substances, for example, alcohol and aspirin. Number 4, small intestines. A narrow, winding tube where food is mixed with digestive juices. Final digestion and absorption of food happens here. Has numerous small projections or folds called villi and very small ones called microvilli. Made up of 3 regions, the duodenum, jejunum, and the ileum. Absorbs breakdown products of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids, along with vitamins, minerals, and water. Performs physical digestion via segmentation. Number 5, accessory organs. Liver produces bile, which breaks down fats. Gallbladder, a pea-shaped sac under the liver that stores bile. Pancreas, a fish-shaped organ behind the stomach that produces pancreatic juice that helps break down fats, proteins, and starches. Number 6, large intestines. A wider tube where undigested food or food waste passes. Absorbs water from the food waste, making it a more solid form called feces. Propels feces toward rectum. Number 7, rectum. Receive stool from the colon. Store the stool until it is eliminated through the anus. Number 8, anus. The opening at the end of the alimentary canal through which solid waste matter leaves the body. Here's a short clip of digestive system. Here's another picture of digestive system. Now observe this carefully. Pay attention to how a hamburger turns into poop. If we line up all these organs in the order food travels through them, what will the sequence be? Imagine food is on a journey through your body. Can you describe the different stages it goes through based on what you learned at the stations? Why do you think it is important for each of these organs to do its specific job? What would happen if one of them wasn't working properly? Lesson activity to be guided by your actual teacher. Another activity is to be guided by your actual teacher. Learners' takeaways to be guided by your actual teacher. Reflection on learning. Digestive health habits checklist. Questions to be answered by yes or no. Number 1. Do I take the time to chew my food thoroughly before swallowing? Number 2. Do I include plenty of fruits and vegetables in my daily diet? Number 3. Do I choose whole grains and fiber-rich foods regularly? Number 4. Do I drink enough water throughout the day or aim for 8 glasses? Lastly, do I generally feel good after eating or do I experience frequent discomfort like bloating, gas, and constipation? Evaluating learning. Matching type. Answer it. Let's answer. Number 1. The muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. What is the correct answer? Good job! Letter E. Esophagus. Number 2. A long, winding tube where most nutrient absorption happens. What is the correct answer? Very good! The correct answer is letter A. Small intestine. Number 3. Absorbs water from the food waste, turning it into feces. What is the correct answer? Amazing! Letter B. Large intestine. Number 4. A muscular sac that churns and breaks down food with digestive juices. What is the correct answer? Correct! Letter D. Stomach. Number 5. It is where food enters the body and is mechanically broken down by teeth. What is the correct answer? Correct. Letter C. Mouth. Moving on to the next part. The following statements are the processes of digestion and absorption in the body. Number each of the steps according to the sequence they occur. Please answer it. Let's answer. The first event is food is broken into small pieces, mechanically and chemically. Second, food is liquefied and digested into forms that cells can absorb. Third, nutrients pass through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream. Fourth, water is absorbed back into the bloodstream. Lastly, waste products are removed from the body through the anus. Well done, kids! What have we learned today? Today, we learn about digestive system. The digestive system is a group of organs that work together to turn the food we eat into energy and nutrients our body needs. It starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. Organs of the digestive system. Number 1, mouth. Number 2, esophagus. Number 3 is stomach. Number 4, small intestines. Number 5, accessory organs. Number 6, large intestines. Number 7, rectum. Number 8, anus. Kids, thank you for listening. I hope you have learned. Please do not forget to click the like, share, and subscribe.